Yeah, so the thing with recording in the rain is sometimes I guess the raindrop must trigger the screen and then my video just shuts down. So yeah, so there's not too many people at the park today. When I drove in, there was like 3 other vehicles. So yeah, so I mean, I guess most people, if they don't have to come out, they won't. I really try to come out. If it's pouring, we won't come. But if it's just drizzling, like it's almost a misty kind of rain, then we are out here. The dogs mostly don't mind. Some of them, honestly, I don't think they would notice it. Good boy, Noah. Good boy, Archie. Good boy, Leo. Roo! Oh, good girl, Roo. Yeah, she's always kind of disappearing into the bushes, so she did get some more of those seeds on her, especially her ears. I think she just has like a magnetic ear for those sticky seeds, so I did have to cut some of it off and then brush the rest off, but she is clear now. Good job, guys. Chewy's found something. Chewy, come! Have you found a squirrel? Come on, Chewy! Good boy. Good job, buddy. What you barking at? Roo, this way. Okay, so there's not too many people, so I'm gonna come here, Felix. I'm gonna let him off. Felix, come. And then if he does kind of charge up people, I'll put him back. Good boy, Felix. Good job, guys. Yeah, and we're gonna try and avoid the muddy paths, obviously. We're gonna try and stay on these gravel and what's the other one? The paved one. So it's kind of gonna be our route. We might lap it twice because it's a smaller loop for sure. Roo! Oh, there she is. She got in front of us. Good girl, Roo. Good boy, Noah. Good boy, Felix. Yeah, they've all gone to the side to explore. Except for Leo. Leo usually stays by me. Noah, he kind of does his own thing. He's by me sometimes, and then sometimes he follows the other dogs. Archie does his own thing, but he's been really good lately. Like he'll come when he's called. Before, he either didn't hear me or he practiced selective hearing. Hey, Archie. Yeah. Good job, guys. Good boy, Noah. Good boy, Leo. Yeah, so Chewy has joined us today for daycare, and he's going to be with us tomorrow as well. Yeah, and then I think we're back to 6 on Friday and Saturday. And then Sunday, Rue goes home, or no, Saturday, I think Rue goes home. And Sunday, Felix goes home. So then we're back to 5 again. Good girl. Good boy, Felix. Good boy, Archie. Good boy, Chewy. I'm kind of surprised Chewy is sticking around. And Rue's the one that's really disappearing today. Here she is. Yeah, Rue's owner watching this video is just going to get mini glimpses of her. Good girl, Rue. And then she just goes back into the bushes. It's usually Chewy is like that, but surprisingly he is sticking around today. Good girl, Rue. Good boy, Felix. Good boy, Leo. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, Archie. Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, Noah. Good boy, Leo. Good girl, Rue. Oh, she's gone. Good job, guys. Good boy, Felix. You see, Chewy has stopped there because he wants to kind of go ahead, but he's like, but I don't know which way she's going, so I'm just going to wait. And here he comes. Good boy, Chewy. Good job, buddy. No, and he's gone in there, but that's not where we're going today either. And he stopped and he looked and he's like, here I come. Good boy, Chewy. Good job. Yeah, and see, Archie doesn't do that. Archie just goes wherever he wants. And it's up to me to call him back. And I can't seem to train him. So the other dogs I'm able to. I tried training him. He just kind of is in his own little world when he wanders off. Good job, guys. Good boy, Felix. Good boy, Archie. Good girl, Rue. Good boy, Leo. Good job, guys. Good boy, Chewy's going on all these mini trails that we normally go on when it's nice out and the paths are dry. But we are sticking to the main ones today. girl, buddy.